Alex Boyer here, joined with my buddy Eric Claire, and in today's video I'm gonna teach you an awesome card control that I use all the time with Magician. They love it, but also I fool a lot of people with that. It's gonna be a quick one, but a great one. So grab yourself a deck of cards and let's learn that awesome move. Let's go! Okay, great transition, buddy. So yeah, the trick goes like this. It's not really a trick, but you can use it for a trick if you want. It's more of a control, and you guys are gonna love it. Again, the more you practice, the better you'll...
Sorry.
Okay, you'll get. So you take one card, you place it inside of the deck, let's say about right here, and what's going to happen is that you can ask the spectator to push the card in, or you can do it yourself. And only with a snap, you can actually see that the card jump back to the top. Again, this could be a signed card, but it's really cool, really awesome, and a bit knacky as well. So here's what's up. Here's the secret of it. What you're going to do is take two cards. So you're going to do a double lift, all right? You're going to take your first and middle finger, and you're going to hold the card on this corner here, right? Perfect zoom in, zoom out action, buddy. And what's going to happen is that you're going to place the card inside of the deck here, but in the lower third, right here. And that's gonna be way easier for you to do the actual move. Now, since you're holding the card here, what's going to happen is that when you turn your arms and your body also, you're going to steal it, just like this, okay? And at the same time, look at this spot, because you want the attention of the spectator here and not here, because you're obviously palming a card, right? And what's going to happen is that you're gonna say, as you can see, your card is inside of the deck just like that. And when I do this, I actually put the selection on top of the deck like that. So it's super fair. Spectator or yourself pushes the card in, snap your fingers, and the card jump back on top. That's one way to do it. Was it clear? Was it good enough? Like clear? Like my English?
I can see the huge pores on your nose.
My huge. Another way to do this move actually is to do this. I showed this to a lot of magicians and they really liked it. So you take, let's say, this card, the Jack of Diamonds. You're going to place it inside the deck, about here, right? Make sure this is the Jack. You push it through, and again with a snap, it jumps back on top. I like this version a lot because you add a little convincer to make sure that the spectator sees the card going inside of the deck. So the method is this. You need these two cards or any dupes. So you take your double again, go like this, with your thumb, first and middle finger. You're going to place it in the lower third. And when you go like that, you're doing the same action, but here you're going to hide the pips. So they can actually see a jack, a red jack, the same as they saw, but without seeing the pip. So they're convinced that this is the same card. Push it through, snap your fingers, and again, the card jump back on top. That, my friend, is pretty cool. A quick little routine that you can do using that move also is this. You ask your spectator to pick a card. Go ahead, buddy. They pick any card, they show it. All right, and they're going to write their name on the card. So,
oh, you saw it! You saw it!
Yeah, it's not a good card. Let's pick another card so that people can actually see the signature. So let's say their name is
Rick Lax.
That's an awful name. Rick Lax. I just ruined this card by writing this name. That's not okay. Right? They see their card with their signature, and what's going to happen again is to take their card, place it back inside of the deck right here, and watch this. Only with a snap, the card actually doesn't jump on top, it actually goes under the card case right here. Super fair. You can actually take the box, show your hands empty, and reveal that under the box there's our awful cards, awful name, and actually the method is this. So the spectator is going to write their name. So let's say Bob. Okay, that's a better name. What's Bob backwards?
Bob.
Okay, so when I show the card, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to take the deck and one card only on top, and on the side of my body, I'm actually going to reverse it, or you can do it like this, but you need a card to place it on top of this one to get your double ready, right? So I take the selection, like this, I place it on top. Make sure to have the box near you also. This is gonna help you a lot. So you do the move, you place it here, you steal the selection, and you look here. At the same time, you're going to place the card under the box here. So I'm actually only sliding the card under the box like this, and this is good enough. You don't need to be super precise on how you put the box on the card. This is good enough, right? And now you say, watch this. I'm gonna place the card inside of the deck. You snap your fingers, and just like that, you tell the spectator that under the box, one card appeared, and it's exactly their selection. And trust me, they're going to freak out the same way Eric just did. And yeah, practice, practice, and practice, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Please tell me if you enjoyed that.
Please tell me if you enjoyed that.
Please tell me if you enjoyed that. Let me know in the comment if you enjoyed that. Write a comment. Write a comment. God damn it. Let me know in the comment below if you like that effect. Let me know in the comment below.
All right, that's good enough.
Only for you, here's a quick overview in slow motion of the actual move. Let's go. There we go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, hit the notification bell as well, and also please subscribe to this channel and also Eric's channel. Did you blink? Not once? See you in the next one. Peace!